What's up, people? This is Jared Never Sleeps here. I'm a digital marketing consultant based in Miami, Florida. And here's my content creation room. Come take a look. So let's take a look at my beautiful content creation room. The idea I had in mind for this particular project is a space where I could create content, bring other creators here to kind of have that synergy. I can do a podcast here. A lot of time I spend editing or doing Zoom calls with my clients that I consult with. And let's go over some of the technology we have in this room. First and foremost, I like to start with my beautiful Godox SL60W. It's a beautiful light that at the flick of a button, I could turn on. So you can see it gets really bright in here. It looks great on camera. It's great for photo shoots or video production. I also have the Rode Pod mic. I do a weekly podcast called Wrestling Never Sleeps. Make sure you guys check that out on YouTube. And it just has great quality. It's an excellent, beginner mic. This is the first time me doing like a podcast or anything like that. So it's a great beginner mic to create content. I also use the Frequent with the Blue Yeti mic. This is one of the first mics I used. I usually use it for like when I'm talking to clients or doing Zoom calls and stuff like that. Now these panels were kind of inspired by, I saw Gil's setup that he has in his studio. I'll shoot to that over here, what Gil's studio looks like. But I think his is vertical, I wanted mine horizontal. And then we stained them. We went to Ace's Hardwoods and we stained the wood. They just came from Home Depot. I got a contractor. Shout out to Avery, got the answers, who hooked up this room and also painted it. You can see it's like kind of like a grayish color. And one of my really cool features, one I love about this, is I can just have backdrops for photography shoots. I can bring clients here, and it's on a remote as well. So at the push of a button, I could have a completely different backdrop. What type of color do you think would look good in the background? Leave your answer in the comments. Oh, I went the wrong way. Now, this is another Gil creation. This is my charging station. I never even thought about this. This is why you want to hire a consultant to help you with anything, because there's things you're not going to see that you need to see. So this is a charging station that allows me to charge all my devices, my phones, my batteries for my cameras, extra chargers, extra batteries. Everything is right here, so I can easily just charge stuff on the go. So when I'm running out of the house or going to a client, I can easily just grab what I need and just dip out. And of course, with every great office space, with every great creation space, you need inspiration. As a kid, I was always inspired by these three individuals. Of course, the late, great, legendary Michael Jackson. I got this picture on eBay, actually. I actually got it framed. And this is an original Michael Jackson poster. There's only a few left in the world right now. And it is the iconic Billie Jean's video that he was in that kind of changed how we look at video production and music videos today. And then of course I have this wonderful piece. It's Michael Jordan and the late great Kobe Bryant, two guys that I've always looked up to my whole entire life. They are just a symbol of greatness. And I just like to look at that every single day and just think about the hard work and dedication Jordan had. And of course, you're always inspired by Kobe Bryant's Mamba mentality. And over here, I have my Hands G monitor. I use this when I'm recording my Wrestling Never Sleeps podcast. I'm able to see myself on the screen, so it's easy to kind of see what's going on. And this was actually gifted to me by my consultant, Gil. And this has been a great gift because it also goes sideways, so I can see how stuff when I'm recording is going to look on Instagram, or it's going to look on Instagram Reels. So it's very nice to have. If we head over here, we have my GVM video light. The GVM video light is just added lighting. Of course, you guys doing content creation, you always want to have great lighting and of course great sound. But this is something that is great because it goes up very bright, but you can also have a nice little ambiance for the ladies. And then of course, no Evil Genius room is complete without a Dr. Evil chair. I just got this basically at Office Max. It's very comfortable. It has like a little block for my neck area. I'm pretty tall, so it's kind of hard for me to find chairs. But this one's pretty good and it's nice and comfortable. And it's great for world domination. And then I wanted to design this room very versatile. So you'll notice that most of the stuff I have here is on like rollers. So for example, the table here, it comes apart. So I can go from like the Joe Rogan setup to just moving it out in my other room, and I can do like some fitness stuff in here, or I can do stuff with the green screen. So I always wanted to have everything on rollers, so it's easier to just move things around and have the room for different purposes and different functionalities and different shoots. Another thing I'm very, very happy to own is these saddle stools. They're extremely comfortable to sit on. I use this a lot when I'm editing stuff. It just keeps your posture nice and high and straight. So I definitely recommend these. And by the way, you can purchase all this stuff. I'm gonna leave the link in my description in the comment section of where exactly I bought all these things, so you can go on Amazon and cop all this stuff as well. And last but not least, my prized possession is this beautiful piece of art I have in my apartment. Or is it? No, it's actually a television. It's called the Samsung Frame. And the Samsung Frame is designed to look like a piece of art. As you can see, there's no type of like cords. If you walk in, you think it's just a piece of, a picture on the wall. But check it out. It instantly transforms into a television, just like that. So yeah, it's really nice for me to, I edit on it, I watch TV while I'm working, or I just inspired by the art piece that I can choose. I think it's like $2 a month and you can choose different art pieces and just get inspired by the gallery you have in your home. So that is my content creation studio. Make sure you like this video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that notification bell to get notified when we have other stuff dropping like this. And definitely reach out to Gil. He really went above and beyond my expectations building this room. I love it. I spend all my time in here now. That's my time for now. I am Jared Never Sleeps. Thanks for watching. Now get the out.